So it's been a long time since I ventured out with this one as well. This is the MF Eclipse. Used to have problems with wing stability, so I put spars in, but they ended up getting carbon fibre spars. They ended up getting loose, so I redone it with foam board spars, and hopefully that will solve that problem. It is a very light aircraft. First time with this engine combo, so we'll see. Yeah. Okay. Seem to have very limited elevator control, I think. That is because I think the battery needs to go a bit further forward. Honk. As is often the case. Yeah, a little bit better. It's a bit wishy-washy. Yeah, I think still that is. Yeah, I think that is still needing a little bit more nose weight. Yeah, definitely. Looks nicer. I think the ESC was further forward previously. Yeah, it's a bit better. He's pushing forward a bit. Yep, okay. Yeah, still more, I think. Let's just get you around into it. It's certainly improved it. I used to fly a lot better than this, so we definitely need to sort that out. Let's just see this glide angle. Yeah, it's still quite nose up. I'd say it's very nose up. Now then, glides well then. So we're going to get some more weight because we can't push them with them. Push it half an ounce with extra weight. Better. Yes, better. Perfect? Maybe not. Better? Yes. Watch out for him. A little bit. Still could do a bit more, I think. Yeah. Oh, he didn't like that. Yeah, you need more weight in the nose, I think. Floaty jet. Yeah, they out a bit. Okay, it is in a nose down attitude now. It's still not quite right. Not quite right. quite as impressive as I thought it ought to be. But those spars are interrupting the airflow a bit under the wing. Nevertheless, sorted okay. Looks nice. Always did look nice. Once again, I'm not sure I'd want to fly it if it was very windy. Still add a little bit more weight for the next battery. We'll see. Flying better though, definitely. That's a very, very impressive glide. Very impressive. Look at that. Look at that. Very impressive glide. Okay, well, I think we'll just revisit that and see about the potential for a bit more weight.